Hello, class. In your Google Classroom account, when you go into our classroom, there will be an assignment that I had posted in there, and it's actually a project that you will be doing. So you will click on that, and then I'll have the directions right here. You will create an All About Me poster. So your poster is going to include your name, your age, your birthday, and then I want you to add pictures of your favorite color and your favorite thing to do, your favorite food, and what you want to be when you grow up. Okay, so all these things are going to are what I want you to have on your poster that describes you. So let's click on the link. We're going to make it in Canva. So let's go in here in Canva. You will create a poster. So we want to go up here to create. Okay. And then we need to type in poster, P-O-S-T-E-R. And then you can click on this one right here. Okay. It'll be this option. Not the first one, but the one below it, okay? All right. Now you have your blank paper, okay? And to add things to this, you can go to Elements right here with the different shapes right here. Click on that, and then you can search things, okay? So you can search for shapes, different graphics, photos. We're not going to do videos, no charts. So things like that, okay? Let's come back here, and I am going to type in, you can also type in too. I'm going to type in, let's see, my favorite color is pink. So pink, see what it comes up with. So see all, so let's do like a smiley face. Okay, I'm going to add a smiley face. You can put it wherever you want. And you can make it big, small, by dragging it like this, okay? Then, let's see here. Just do one more example. My favorite food, okay? My favorite food is steak. Oh, that's fine. If it goes away like that, you can come back and click on it so it sticks, okay? So then when you come off the page, it'll stick on there. Stickies. Give me steak. Okay. All right. And then these are for the picture parts. Remember that you have to type your name and how old you are and your birthday. So let me show you real fast on how to do that. Okay, there's my name. And you can also change the font if you want to. So you go up here and then you change the font. All right, I'm just going to click this. Make it bigger by doing this. Okay. Or, yeah, okay, that's fine. And then my age. I'm just going to write age. And then my birthday. Okay. Okay. And there you go. So you can put whatever pictures you want on there, and you have to type out your name, age, and birthday, okay? And these are your pictures, remember? If you need any help, let me know. Thank you.